I hope you're doing well. Every year, more and more people are spending time in front of a computer screen. The screen recorder can save you lots of time. So it can record information. You can save it for training and learning purposes. You can get information for presentations. You can share the information for team meetings, but it should be used cautiously. In your iPhone, if you go to settings, you go to control center, tap on the plus sign, it will add it to your included controls. Then pull down the top, see all the controls, then click on tap on the record button. If you want to use a mic, just tap on that. Don't forget, if you record stuff on your iPhone, it could be copyrighted. And once you've tapped the microphone, you can see it pulsing, it's working. And once you're done, then you tap on the stop button there. LightCut, we're going to add our own music onto a video track. So if you go into music and then you go to more, got your music tracks in under the local heading. So if you type on local music, you can see all the music in there. If you tap on one of the music tracks, you can listen to it. You can't hear the music because I've extracted the audio because it would interfere with this tutorial. Then when you're happy with the music, then you just tap on import, then you get the message music imported. Then you tap on use, and you can see it added to the timeline. You can lengthen or shorten the piece of music by just clicking on it and then dragging it over with your mouse or finger or whatever. If you're happy with this video, please like and subscribe if you found it useful.